Alright folks, here I am, this is Sunday morning, and I'm making my pantry, so I'm cutting some wood. I just want to show you where I'm at. That's the right sidewall that's already in, it's on the track. This is the left sidewall, it's on its track, but like I said, the panel that I made, it goes across and it comes to about right about here. So let me take you up there to my deck and I'll show you. You can watch me cutting and putting it together. Alright, so here we are. I've already cut one panel right here, and here is that panel I was describing right here. This is the bottom panel, the bottom shelf. And I've made a piece for around the hydraulic pump. Unfortunately, I made it a ½ inch too short. So I'm cutting these two pieces right here. One's an inch, one's a ½ inch. This will be glued to this, and then this will be glued to the top of that. So let me get busy finishing cutting this thing for you. Some of you are going to ask, why am I using this thing? Well, the reason why I'm using that, I have more control on this. I can see where I'm going better with this. It takes longer with this, yes, than a circular saw, but I have more control with this. And also, the blade thickness is only like, I don't know, a 32nd or a 16th. So I waste less wood, because a normal blade is about 1/8 of an inch thick. So you cut away 1/8 of an inch of wood. This here is pretty much paper thin. So anyhow, so these two pieces will get glued together like that, and then this will get glued to the top of that piece. Let's see here. And then I need to make a piece that is 53 inches tall, but I haven't measured the width yet. The width is going to be, I got to put it back in the bus on the tracks well, no, I can just go straight from here. So it's going to be, the width is going to be this wide. Actually, it's going to be wider than that. I didn't think about this. It's going to be all the way out to here, but only in this section right here is going to be short. So I've got to remeasure. So I'm going to basically measure from here to there, and that's how wide it's going to be, and then I'll cut out a piece for here. So I'll go ahead and attach this piece right here. Bring it down further for you. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. There we go. So I'm gonna put this piece on right there. I don't want to split The side of this plywood, this is all plywood. This is 1/2 inch. This is 1/4 inch. So let's see, I'll put that one on the inside right there. That looks much better like that. Okay, that's not going to work right there. I already have a screw in right there. So I got to go out a little bit further. A little bit further. And so once I get all the panels, or most of the panels in place, I'll take it back apart and I'll glue them and screw them. This is just to make sure everything is going together and working well. So, there you go there. And see, you notice this is higher than that, 1/2 inch higher than that. That's because of this right here that I've got to extend this up another 1/2 inch. So I'll go ahead and glue this together, and then once it's dry, I'll glue it to here. And that, but right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some glue and put it on here and nail this piece together. Alright, here's my glue. Break that little tip off. It's dried. Make sure my air gun, my air nailer is hooked up. It's not. Alright. So once I do this part, I'll probably be leaving it alone for the rest of the day, just to let it cure. So I'm going to put the glue. Well, I'm not sure where I'm going to put the glue yet. So I need to just basically line up, make sure I have an even distance from here to here on the bottom and top, and make me a line. And that's where I'll put the glue, bead of glue. Just like that. And I'll put the glue inside that bead. And take that panel off. Be right back. I'm only gonna initially put the glue on the bottom side, on the bottom half right here. So I'm only going to put the glue on the bottom half so that when I put it back on, it won't mess up any of the finish up here. And then I'll just push it to the side and put it in, and then hold the panel back while I'm putting it in place. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's what we'll do there. Then we come back over here. Put this back into place, just like that. There we go there. Alright, so that's good. Now I'll apply the rest of the glue. Alright, so that's done. So now I need to pull this away and get it right there. Get the top one done first, so it holds it in place, just like that. Brad nailer. I know this works because I've already done it on part of it. Bingo. And so now I'm going to turn it up like this and get the rest. Uh-oh, missed that one. Excellent. So now I'll basically leave it alone for the rest of the day, let it dry, let it harden, and so that's going to be the left wall, and then I'll probably have a shelf in here, and then there'll be a shelf across the top here that goes all the way back, and then there's going to probably be a shelf there too, you know, just like that. Alright, so that'll be it for right now. I'll try and film the rest. See you later. Be safe.